In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to connect your Porkbun domain to your Netlify project. First of all, you need to log into your Netlify account, then you need to open your project and click on Domains in the left menu. Then click Add or Register a Domain and select Add a domain you already own. If you don't remember the domain name, you can go to the Porkbun, log into your account, then click the account button in the top right corner and go to Domain Management. Right here you will see the list of your domains. You need to choose the domain which you want to connect to Netlify. For example, I have got only one domain here, so I'll copy this and paste it right here. Then click on Verify and click Add Domain. After that, you need to click Continue and we need to update the name servers. Copy the first name server, just click this copy icon right here and go back to Porkbun. Under the domain, you will see this NS button. You need to click on this and you need to paste all of the name servers right here. Paste the first name server in the first row. Now let's copy the second one, third one, and the last one. Then click the submit button and you will update your name servers. After you will update your name servers, you need to wait from few hours to 48 hours and your domain will be connected to Netlify project. Right here you need to click on done and you need to wait. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget click the like buttons and don't forget subscribe.